Okay, hi everyone. Good to see you all again. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome back again here with me, Mr. Dimitria Rinalgi. In this lesson, we're going to learn about question forms in English. Actually, it's about how to ask questions in the right way. And then today we'll be using some examples for BBC Learning from BBC Learning English. Uh, why we use this? Because this is one of great site to learn grammar and pronunciation. And then, like what I said before, we are going to learn grammar. Okay. All right. Let's start with a simple question. Ah, do you like English, everyone? Okay. So you like English. It's good. And then now try this one. Why do you like English? That is that is a different kind of question. So in English, we have two main type of question. Okay, let's start with this part of website. This part of BBC Learning English website. At the first form, like what I said before, we learn about um question form. And then I said that there's two main or two basic type of question. The first is yes no questions and then WH question. What is um yes no question? Yes no question often begin with the verb to be, but can also begin with other auxiliary verbs such as do. Yes, this when we want a yes or no answer. For example, are you hungry? Yes, I'm starving. The answer is yes, only yes or no. And second example, did you get did you get here on time? No, I missed the bus. And that's here in this form, it's only have to answer. It's always yes or no. It's always yes and no. And then for W questions form. W question form start with a question word such as who, what, where, when, why, or how. Do you understand everyone? Okay, right. We ask this type of question when we want different kinds of information. These questions cannot be answered with a yes or no. Like, um, for example, why are you so hungry? I didn't eat breakfast. And the second example, when did you get here? About half an hour ago. Uh, now you can see or you uh, will understand the difference from these two form of question, from these question forms, from yes no questions and WH questions. Uh, for yes or no questions, it's only have two answer, yes or no. But for W questions, it cannot only um, just answer with yes or no. It's for this form we have to answer a long form, a long answer. We have to answer a long word, a long answer. And then for the form of these two question forms, yes no question that begin with the verb to be or met with to be plus subject. For example, are you playing football tomorrow? Was the weather nice yesterday? Yes. I play football tomorrow. Yes or no. The weather uh, is bad yesterday. Yes. The weather nice yesterday. If we start with an auxiliary verb, the order is auxiliary plus subject plus main verb. Can Jenny speak Chinese? Did you go to cinema on Saturday? It's for the yes no question form. And then for WH question can be used to ask about the subject or object of the verb. Compare these questions. Who loves Lucy? Who loves Lucy? I love Lucy. Who does love? Lucy love? Lucy love Kevin. It can deliver many kind of answer, many or anything type of answer. For subject question, the order is question word plus verb plus object. Who want ice cream for dessert? I want ice cream for my dessert. Who broke the mirror in the dining room? I broke the mirror in the dining room. I'm sorry, blah blah blah. I broke the mirror because blah 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 blah. Who answered the phone? I answered the phone. And then the last, the object question from is question word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. What did you do? What did you do at the weekend? I playing a game, a mobile game with my friend for my weekend. Or where does your brother work? My brother work at um mini market. Okay. Who will you ask for help? I will ask my sister for help. And from what I already explained, I know that you already understand that what is the difference from these two question forms. Okay, I think that's enough, everyone. I hope this explanation can make you understand and it's useful for your daily life. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone. Goodbye and um careful on your um day. Be careful.